Hello my amazing friends, welcome back to my video. Have you ever met a stranger who changed your day forever? Today's story is about a young traveler, an unexpected meeting, and a lesson that neither of them would ever forget. Let's begin. Olivia had dreamed of visiting Paris since she was a little girl. After years of studying and saving money, the day had finally arrived. She reached the airport 3 hours before her flight. The airport was full of people. Some were excited, some looked tired, and others were saying emotional goodbyes to their families. Olivia took a deep breath and smiled. This is the beginning of a new adventure, she whispered. After checking in, she walked toward her departure gate. As she passed a coffee shop, she noticed an elderly woman sitting alone. The woman looked worried. She was holding a boarding pass, but tears were slowly rolling down her face. Most people walked past without noticing her. Most people walked past without noticing her. Olivia couldn't ignore what she saw. She walked over and asked politely, "Excuse me, ma'am, are you all right?" The old woman looked up and forced a small smile. "I think I missed my flight," she replied quietly. "My hearing isn't very good. I didn't hear the boarding announcement." Olivia looked at the boarding pass. Then she looked at the departure screen. She smiled warmly. "Don't worry," she said. "Your flight hasn't left yet. The gate has changed. We still have time." The woman's face immediately brightened. "Really?" "Yes," Olivia replied. "I'll take you there." Together they hurried through the airport. When they finally reached the correct gate, the boarding had just begun. The old woman held Olivia's hands and said, "You have no idea what this means to me. I thought I would miss my grandson's birthday." Olivia smiled. "I'm just happy I could help." Before boarding, the old woman reached into her handbag and handed Olivia a small bookmark. On it were written these simple words: "Kindness is the passport that opens every heart." Olivia thanked her and carefully placed the bookmark inside her favorite book. Months later, whenever she opened that book, she remembered one important lesson. Sometimes the greatest journey isn't the one you take on an airplane. It's the kindness you share with someone along the way. The moral of this story is a small act of kindness can change someone's entire day. When you travel, don't only discover new places, discover the beauty of helping others. My amazing friends, every airport is full of stories. Some begin with a flight, others begin with kindness. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe. Question for you: if you met someone who looked worried at an airport, what would you do?